All right, next up is area. So we learned area of rectangle and area of a triangle, but we did not learn how to find the area of a shape like this. Whenever it's an unfamiliar shape, you're going to think decompose, find the area of the separate shapes that you know how to find the area of, and add them together. In this problem, you can probably see that this kite is made up of 2 or 4 triangles. So there are multiple ways to decompose and find the area. First option, top triangle and bottom triangle, and find the area of those 2 separate triangles, add them together. Or you could find them in the 2 side triangles, side triangle 1 and then side triangle 2. You can find it either that way. Or finally, you can separate these into 4 separate little triangles like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So lots of options. For the sake of time, I'm just going to go over the first strategy, finding the top triangle and the bottom triangle, because the other 2 ways, you can try them and send them to me for extra credit. So the first triangle, let's take a look. I'm going to just redraw the top triangle to the side. I noticed that my height is 5 and my base, I'm not sure yet. They give me a 5 and a 5, so I know that my base in total needs to be 10. And I know my height is 5. Now I know the area of a triangle. How to find that is base times height divided by 2, which means I can do base 10 times 5 height divided by 2, which gives me 50 over 2. So my area of my top triangle is 25. I'm going to find the area of my bottom triangle. So I'm just going to redraw my bottom triangle. Okay, so it gives me a height of 15. And my base, as I found earlier for my top triangle, it's 5 and 5. So altogether, my base, I know, is 5 plus 5, which is 10. So now I do the same thing, base times height divided by 2. In this case, my base is 10, and my height is 15. And I gotta divide all of that times by 2. So 10 times 15 gives me 150 over 2. Sorry, this is very messy. And 150 divided by 2 gives me 75. So now I found the area of the top triangle, which was 25, and the area of my bottom triangle is 75. So at the very end, I have to add these together, and my area of the kite is 100 square. Don't forget square units for area, square inches. So here's number 18. It is a very similar problem. It's actually more simple compared to the kite problem. Try this one and show me your work. Send me your work using the formula for area of a triangle. And yeah, send me your work. Looking forward to the awesome work.